AI is taking your job. That's what everyone's saying, but is it true? Well, you're about to find out in tonight's episode of No Nonsense Nightly. A recent report from tech giant IBM highlighted the transformative impact of artificial intelligence on the workforce, emphasizing the critical need for reskilling as AI and automation reshapes industries. But what does that even mean? Well, the report indicates that around 40% of workers globally, totaling 1.4 billion people, will require new job skills within the next 3 years due to integration of AI and automation into workplaces. Contrary to concerns of AI's role in job displacement, the report presents a more nuanced perspective. Despite fears that AI might replace human jobs, 87% of surveyed executives believe that AI will actually augment job roles rather than replace them completely. Wait, so here I was celebrating that AI is going to force me into early retirement, and now you're telling me that I'm forever relegated to being the assistant regional AI manager?
Assistant to the regional AI manager.
This positive outlook aligns with the concept of generative AI, a branch of AI that generates novel content based on existing information. 9 out of 10 executives express confidence in generative AI's potential to enhance the capabilities of employees across various roles. So, if you used to be an engineer, now your career is more like the adult equivalent of blowing on a Nintendo cartridge and seeing if it fixed anything. The report underscores that there has been a transition from technical skills such as STEM proficiency, which was highly prioritized in the past, to a greater emphasis on people skills. These interpersonal skills include effective communication, teamwork, adaptability, and the ability to manage time and resources efficiently. Because robots might be smarter and more efficient than us, but they make for terrible people. They can't take that from us. Yet. Until the robots come for late night, we at No Nonsense Nightly will be here to tell you about their slow, inevitable takeover. So, be sure to like, subscribe, and help us appease the YouTube AI by tapping on that box right there. Go on, tap it. It won't bite. I don't think.